Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily make your videos more dynamic by only using the video effect on CapCut. So in here, I have a static video with a still video that I want to make it more dynamic. So here, what you need to do is just go to Effect, click on the video effects. Okay, so find the effect under the lens category, and in here you can add the zoom lens effect. Click on that, adjust the effect. You can adjust the speed. I'm going to make it slower, and I'm going to adjust the range. Okay, now when you're done, just click on a check icon. I'm going to apply it to the entire clip, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment if you have any question, and click on the thanks below. Bye.